If you tally up the memory footprint of your active web browser, background applications, and the operating system itself, you might find you have 20 gigabytes of program data running on a machine with only 8 gigabytes of physical RAM. On paper, this is a collision of math and hardware. Asking a system to load more physical data than its silicon chips can hold should result in an immediate failure and system crash. The reason your computer stays operational is due to a software architecture called virtual memory. It operates by creating a total separation between the memory space a program believes it has and the actual physical hardware bolted to your motherboard. When a program executes, it is handed a set of fake virtual addresses. The operating system operates entirely in the shadows as a secretive middleman, intercepting these virtual addresses and mapping them to real hardware locations behind the scenes. By pulling only the immediately necessary parts of a program into the active RAM and hiding the rest away, the system constructs a flawless illusion of infinite memory space. Your ability to seamlessly jump between heavy applications without buying endless hardware upgrades comes down to this masterful, calculated deception by the operating system. Logical memory is a massive continuum divided into pages, but physical hardware is fragmented into RAM and a slow backing store disk. The OS bridges this using a page table, mapping logical pages to physical frames, while parking unused pages on the backing store. Crucially, every process is assigned its own unique private page table. Hardware only sees mappings for the active process. This isolation makes it impossible for one application to overwrite the physical RAM belonging to another. This routing creates a massive operational question. With most pages sent to a slow disk, how does the system decide the exact moment a page must move into fast RAM? The solution is a philosophy called demand paging. It is strictly defined by lazy loading. The system refuses to load any page into memory until the exact microsecond the CPU asks. To execute this lazy loading, the page table maintains a tracking mechanism called the valid-invalid bit. A 1 indicates the valid state, the page is in RAM. A 0 indicates the invalid state, the page is trapped on the slow backing store. By only loading what is requested, demand paging minimizes the initial memory footprint of a process. This allows heavy applications to launch almost instantly, as the system avoids loading megabytes of data that might never be used. Eventually, the CPU reaches an instruction pointing directly to a page marked with an invalid 0. Hitting that 0 triggers a page fault, a hardware interrupt that stops the process. The operating system pauses the program, searches the slow backing store for the missing page, copies it into physical memory, flips the bit to valid, and restarts the instruction. This rescue sequence takes microseconds, but fetching data from a physical disk carries a severe penalty. If physical memory fills up, you encounter thrashing. The system gets trapped in a loop, frantically swapping pages without doing any actual computation. Page faults are routine, necessary operations. However, maintaining system stability requires the OS to carefully balance the rate of those faults against active computation time. Memory allocation faces an even steeper challenge during process creation. Operating systems constantly need to clone massive running programs using a system command called fork. Cloning a heavy application by copying every single physical page would instantly drain your available RAM and freeze the entire system. To bypass this, copy on write gives parent and child processes independent page tables pointing to the same physical frames, marked read-only. When the child modifies a variable, the OS intercepts, duplicates only that specific page, and updates the pointer to the new frame. Copy on write allows the system to spawn massive, complex processes instantaneously, deferring the heavy lifting of memory duplication until it is absolutely, mathematically unavoidable. When we pull back and view the entire memory management architecture working in unison, a cohesive strategy emerges. Virtual memory provides the grand illusion, granting systems the power and flexibility to operate far beyond their physical hardware limits. Demand paging provides the rigorous efficiency, ensuring the hardware only exerts effort on data that is strictly necessary at the present moment. And copy on write provides the optimization, removing the bottleneck of duplication so software can scale instantly. A modern operating system is an exercise in meticulous procrastination. By rigorously delaying memory allocation, loading, and copying until the absolute last microsecond, the OS transforms scarce physical resources into an infinite digital canvas.